Okay, so the handstand press is when you lift up without jumping. You start with your feet about this wide, your hands go on the ground, you go up onto your tiptoes, and then you float off the ground. The wider your split, the easier the legs are going to come up sideways. So people with a wide split will find it easier. Does that make sense? Split, wide, that's it. And then all the way back down to the ground, and just step back down. That's it. So, nice job. The Circoplex light show is my new thing that I'm offering at my events. I built this ambient light show which projects stunning visual graphics and patterns and psychedelic sort of ambient visual art, generally behind the yoga teacher. So it creates a great atmosphere during yoga. I've been running it around the country. We did an event in Southampton, Oxford. I've run it in Bristol. So keep an eye on circoplex.com. Generally, the format of the event is handstands. I'll be teaching handstands. I get a yoga teacher. Sometimes I get food in as well. Sometimes we do the gong bath with Ladrin with his gongs. Depending, sometimes live music, maybe folk music or acoustic music or something like that, open mic. So I'm always trying to reinvent the format of the events. I'm always looking for the perfect formula that's going to be the most fun for people. But check out Circoplex Sunday on circoplex.com.
I think combining a full day of activities with yoga can really open people's minds to their body and what it's capable of. And what Ben creates is an atmosphere of feeling really comfortable and not worried if you fall over, or knowing that it takes time to learn the body and understand how it moves. I think a day of movement and different things will bring a positive energy into everyone.
I've been quite obsessed with this idea of trying to create the perfect event that feels a little bit like being at a festival, a little bit like being at a retreat, a little bit like being at a boot camp, a little bit like being at circus school. I really want to try and get all these elements and put them into one perfect format that just ticks all the boxes.
I love the idea of people taking time out of their weekends to go and explore and try new skills and put them together, and I think the perfect way to do it in such a lovely environment with lots of lovely people. Brilliant.
My name's Portia and I'm here because I've got into yoga in April and just really wanted to try and see if I could get into a bit more of the yoga inversions. Really good fun. Ben's great, really nice it kind of makes you feel quite relaxed, so that's good. It's nice that it wasn't like a competition, it was quite relaxed, so that was good fun. Just going to keep practicing against the wall, I think.
My name is Nora, I'm from Cheltenham. I've been doing yoga for a couple of years and I really want to master the handstand, and today's class is a lot of fun. It's very organic, he goes with the flow, but you feel yourself progressing, so it's quite nice.
Yeah, my name's Robin. I played professional rugby for 10 years. Coming to do this handstand workshop today with Ben has been fantastic. He really helped make things fun, but he was very precise with his instruction, pointing out the little weaknesses and the bad habits, but making it fun and enjoyable. So there are lots of smiles in the room, and I'd definitely come back and do it again, and I'd recommend it to anybody else as well.
I think it's a brilliant day. Yeah, so definitely recommend it to people who like to work with their own body weight and like to work within all their body space.
Oh, I'm looking forward to the next one. I'm hoping though by the time I get here next time, I'm doing the handstands.
Ben's done a really amazing job of kind of organising people. He's kind of brought a whole bunch of people together. It's a day retreat, but there's a lot going on here. There's a lot of different modalities. It's like a whole bunch of people coming together to really kind of build a really kind of rounded experience, but also quite a full experience for the participants.
I'm always trying to reinvent the format of the events. I'm always looking for the perfect formula that's going to be the most fun for people. But check out Circoplex Sunday on circoplex.com.